SPR2 because that's the name. Everything's fine. Yes. And then we need to build a key for our client, which is client R2. And again, everything looks good there. Okay, then we cd into our keys folder. You can see all of our doobies in there. We need all the CRTs back 3 folders, I think. We need the keys too, probably. And then we need some weird ones, like we need DH1024. Ah, I didn't build Diffie-Hellman. Let's do that. Build DH. What directory am I in? Oh, okay. Now I need to build DH. It's going to take a long time. Come on, you can go faster than that. Anytime you're ready, Diffie. Okay, that's done. So hopefully now if I cd into keys and try and copy off that, that'll work because the dh1024.pem is there. Keys, CAs, I think I'm about ready to go. Let's have a look where I put those files there. So we have a certificate and a key for the certificate authority, certificate and key for the key server, certificate and key for the client, Diffie-Hellman stuff, and I think we're about ready to go. Okay, let's jump into the OpenVPN configuration then, which should be hopefully quite simple. Okay, let's do that. Set open interface OpenVPN vton. You're after a vton, aren't you? Yes, vton 0. And its mode is server. Client specific configuration is client R2. This is important. That client R2 bit there, ignore that for the moment, has to match. If we jump into, if I vim the client R2 CRT, and we'll drop down here. There we go. Can you see this bit here? See it says CN client R2. Whatever that is set to in your certificate, that bit has to be. Otherwise, it'll fail horribly. What am I missing? I think that should be client. Let me get this the right way round. Server client. And then I set the name. So client R2. Let's set the IP address. I'm going to set this to 10.168.100.2. Set the subnet. Now this is important because this is a subnet that is going to be the other side of the client. And then it also needs a server subnet. Obviously, if you were going to have multiple clients or customers connecting, you could select different subnets. You'd have to select different subnets for them. So here, the server needs a subnet for each of the peer-to-peer links. So just to put that in diagram form, it needs an IP address to give here. it's the client-specific configuration that you normally put in here. It's not really expecting that. It wants to allocate one from a pool. So the subnet that I'm about to type here, which